Hey everyone, in this video, we'll create a simple REST API with Spring Boot in just 10 minutes. Whether you're new to Spring or just want a quick refresh, this is the perfect starting point. Let's dive in. First, we need to set up our Spring Boot project. Go to the website, start.spring.io. Then choose the project as Maven. For language, select Java and choose the latest Spring Boot version. Next, fill up the project metadata. Let's use Java 17 for this project. Next step is to add the dependencies for creating a Spring Web application. Search for Web and add Spring Web as the dependency. For this demo, we only need this dependency. Click Generate and download the zip file. Now, unzip the file and open the project in your favorite IDE, like IntelliJ or Eclipse. For this example, I will be using IntelliJ for this demo. The process remains the same whether you are using IntelliJ or Eclipse. Let us open and see what is inside the Java file with main method. The @SpringBoot application annotation is equivalent to using @configuration, @enable auto configuration, and @component scan with their default attributes. This single annotation will enable all those three features: auto configuration, component scan, and configuration. The line spring application.run starts the Spring container. Let's create a simple REST controller. Create a new class and name it Hello Controller. Add the annotation at REST controller. REST controller is a specialized version of the @controller annotation and serves to simplify the creation of RESTful web services. When a class is annotated with @REST controller, Spring recognizes it as a controller where all methods should directly return data rather than a view. Let us create a method that returns the string hello when called. Add the @getMapping annotation to tell Spring that this method accepts only HTTP GET protocol requests. We have created an API endpoint /hello that returns the word hello when invoked. Let's now run the application and test it. By default, Spring starts the application on port 8080. We will test the API using Postman. Enter the URL as localhost 8080/hello. Hooray! Our API is working. Let us enhance the demo by adding a post method. Let's create a method that accepts comments from the user. Create a post mapping. And let us put the path as /comment. We will use a path variable to accept the data. Let's open a new tab in Postman. Enter the URL and test it. The Post API is working fine. It accepts a comment from the user and sends a reply back. Spring by default uses the port 8080. If you want to change the port, you can do so by adding an entry in application.properties file. Add server.portkey and enter 8086 as the value. Restart the application. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Java and tech content. See you in the next video.